Law Week continues here on Take Two every day this week. We'll be talking with a legal expert about a different legal topic. And this morning we're covering bankruptcy law with Ophir Raviv from Square One Legal. Good morning, Ophir. Thanks for joining us today.
Good morning, Christine, and good morning to your viewers.
So what type of debt relief options are now available? Because a lot of people are struggling during this pandemic. So what kind of options are available if they can't keep up with credit cards and personal loans and other kinds of payments like mortgages?
Well, the two main options that people have usually are going to have either to do debt settlements or do bankruptcy. Those are the main things. In my experience, even though debt settlement is usually the way to go, bankruptcy ends up being usually the faster and cheaper way and the preferred option.
It's the preferred option, but how do you know if you're actually qualified or eligible?
Well, I guess the question before that is many times is whether you should or you shouldn't. So in terms of whether you qualify, that we have to determine. We look at your household income, we look at what are the things you're trying to accomplish. For example, how much debt you have, what is your current income, what kind of assets you have, and so forth.
And there are different types of bankruptcies, Chapter 7, Chapter 13. Can you tell us the difference?
Yes. A Chapter 7 is what's called a liquidation, and it usually takes about 100 days to complete, and it's the faster and the cheaper method between those two, and it should usually be the default option for most consumers out there. Chapter 13 takes longer, usually 3 to 5 years. It costs more money to do it. And one quick comment I wanted to make is when we're looking consumers out there, it's very important to point out to people, small business owners out there, to understand that when you own, you have an LLC or something like that, you qualify for it.
Can you explain what you mean to protect an interest in property that may be lost in Chapter 7?
Right. When you file bankruptcy, you are required to disclose all of your income from all of your sources, your household income. You must also disclose all of your assets and all your creditors. So when it comes to the kind of assets that you have, like let's say you own a house, it depends. In certain circumstances, you will be able to protect it. In certain circumstances, you will not be able to protect your equity in it. The Chapter 13 allows you to go through the process, receive a discharge while protecting your assets, which in Chapter 7, the trustee will probably go ahead and sell it and liquidate it, and then that is obviously not what we want to get to.
And when you file Chapter 13, there is a monthly determined. How is that determined, how much your payment will be?
Sure. The monthly payment in Chapter 13 is going to be, for the most part, one of two main options. Either we look at your disposable income, we look at all of your income from all sources, and we look at your expenses. And if there's a surplus there, you're going to have to pay that amount. The other option is what we call certain amounts that you must pay through a Chapter 13. For example, people who have to cure their mortgage arrears, and this is very relevant today with COVID. What happens? A lot of people, I know, homeowners are struggling with their mortgage payments. That's one of the options to avoid foreclosure. If you owe, let's say, $20,000 and you don't have a check to write to avoid foreclosure, you get to pay it over, let's say, 5 years at a monthly payment that you can afford.
And then what happens after? Because a lot of times people are wondering what's going to happen to my credit, how to recover from this, how long is it going to take? What do you want to tell them about that?
Well, that's probably one of the most common questions I get, like with most clients. And there's a lot of myths out there. What happens when you file bankruptcy? It's like the end of the world. The reality of it is, from a legal standpoint, it will remain listed on your credit report for 10 years after you complete the bankruptcy. That's the bad news. The good news is, for the most part, most of my clients who are disciplined, within a couple of years, are able to get their credit score up to 700. And after that, there's really no legal limitation from people even buying a home. It really depends at that point more on what their current household income, what is their ability to pay versus the bankruptcy itself. So in my experience, most people are actually able to rebuild their credit faster when they go through bankruptcy than any other option.
All right, so again, like you said, it's not the end of the world. Sometimes it can be a solution to your problems now, and you can recover from this. Thank you, Ophir Raviv, for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much.
And again, phone lines will be open tonight from 6 to 7 p.m. It's free, so give them a call, 808-537-1868. There will also be a pop-up legal informational booth at the Kaka'ako Farmers Market this Saturday from 9 in the morning until noon.